Welcome back, drone enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography game? In today's video, we're diving into the best DJI drones of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting your journey, we've got the perfect picks to suit every skill level and budget. From breathtaking 4K footage to cutting-edge features that will take your creativity to new heights, DJI continues to dominate the drone market with their innovative technology. And don't forget, all the links to these incredible drones are conveniently located in the description below, so you can easily find more information and make your purchase. Now let's get soaring with the best DJI drones of 2025. Number 6. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo represents a significant advancement in the world of drone technology and aerial photography. This innovative model is designed to cater to both amateur enthusiasts and professional filmmakers, offering a unique blend of cutting-edge features and user-friendly functionality. One of the standout aspects of the DJI Neo is its advanced camera system, which boasts a high-resolution sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K video and crisp, detailed still images. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their content creation, whether for social media, documentaries, or cinematic projects. The camera also features improved low-light performance, allowing for exceptional image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to its impressive imaging capabilities, the DJI Neo is equipped with state-of-the-art stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and steady footage even in windy conditions or during rapid movements. This feature is crucial for filmmakers who require professional-grade video without the need for bulky stabilization equipment. Battery life is another area where the DJI Neo excels. With an extended flight time, users can enjoy longer aerial sessions without the constant worry of recharging. This is particularly valuable for capturing expansive landscapes or lengthy events, where every moment counts. The user interface of the DJI Neo has been simplified, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for seasoned pilots. The intuitive controls and smart flight modes, such as Follow Me and Waypoints, allow users to focus on creativity rather than navigating complex settings. Number 5. Holy Stone HS900. The Holy Stone HS900 is a versatile and user-friendly drone that caters to both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Designed with a robust frame and equipped with advanced features, this drone excels in aerial photography and videography, making it an ideal choice for capturing stunning landscapes or memorable events. One of the standout features of the HS900 is its high-definition 1080p camera, which delivers crystal-clear images and smooth video footage. It also boasts a 120-degree wide-angle lens, enabling users to capture expansive views. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a remarkable advancement in the world of consumer drones, enhancing the experience of aerial photography and videography. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Avata, this new iteration boasts an array of features that cater to both novice and experienced drone pilots alike. One of the standout features of the DJI Avata 2 is its improved camera system, which captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and offers a 48-megapixel sensor for breathtaking photo quality. This allows users to create cinematic footage with exceptional detail and clarity, making it ideal for capturing landscapes, action shots, and dynamic scenes. In terms of design, the Avata 2 is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable. Its robust build ensures durability, allowing it to withstand the rigors of outdoor flying. Additionally, the drone incorporates advanced safety features, including obstacle detection and intelligent flight modes, which enhance user confidence during operation. The Avata 2 also introduces enhanced flight time, with up to 30 minutes of airborne adventure on a single charge. This extended battery life means you can spend more time in the air capturing the perfect shot without the constant worry of recharging. The drone is equipped with powerful motors that ensure stability and precision in various flying conditions, whether you're soaring through the skies or navigating tight spaces. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro 2. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is an impressive drone that elevates the user experience with its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design. With a sleek and compact build, it offers portability that makes it easy to take on outdoor adventures or capture stunning aerial footage during travel. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera, the F11 Pro 2 allows you to capture breathtaking images and videos from an entirely new perspective. The camera features a 90-degree adjustable lens, giving you the flexibility to shoot from various angles and settings. This capability, coupled with its 5G Wi-Fi transmission, ensures that you receive real-time video feedback right on your smartphone or remote controller, enhancing your flying experience. The drone boasts an impressive flight time of up to 30 minutes per charge, allowing for extended exploration and creativity in the sky. Its powerful battery and efficient motors contribute to longer flight durations, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. Additionally, the F11 Pro 2 features intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and gesture control, making it easier than ever to achieve dynamic shots and follow specific flight paths. Safety is also a priority with the Ruko F11 Pro 2, as it comes equipped with features like GPS positioning. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the realm of consumer drones, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features that cater to both amateur enthusiasts and professional filmmakers alike. At the heart of this drone is its impressive dual-camera system, which includes a large 4.3 CMOS sensor paired with a telephoto lens, allowing for stunning aerial photography and videography with unparalleled detail and depth. With the ability to shoot in 5.1K video resolution, the Mavic 3 Pro offers crystal-clear imagery that captures every nuance of your surroundings. The advanced Hasselblad camera technology enhances color accuracy and dynamic range, ensuring that your shots are not only vibrant but also true to life. Additionally, the drone's improved low-light performance makes it a versatile tool for shooting at any time of day, opening up new creative possibilities for users. Battery life is another standout feature, with the Mavic 3 Pro boasting an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life allows for longer flights and more opportunities to capture the perfect shot without the constant worry of running out of power. Furthermore, the drone is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors that provide enhanced safety during flight. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a remarkable advancement in the realm of compact drones, offering an impressive array of features that cater to both amateur and professional users alike. With its lightweight design and foldable structure, the Mini 4 Pro is incredibly portable, making it an ideal companion for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on quality. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its enhanced camera capabilities. Equipped with a high-resolution sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every moment is recorded in exquisite detail. The drone also boasts improved low-light performance, allowing for exceptional footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro offers various shooting modes, including HDR and time-lapse, giving users creative flexibility to produce professional-grade content. Flight performance is another area where the Mini 4 Pro excels. With an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, users can capture more footage without the constant worry of recharging. Advanced obstacle avoidance sensors provide an extra layer of safety, allowing the drone to navigate around obstacles seamlessly. The intuitive remote controller features a bright display, ensuring that users can easily see what they are capturing, even in bright sunlight.